Good morning to one and all present here.
Good morning, brother.
Today, I, Parikshit Agarwal, is present here in front of you to express our today's PDP topic, change yourself and the world will change you. Well, you must be surprised to know that by just changing ourselves, the world will be changed. It's true. Now in your minds, the question must be how. You see, when you go to meet people or talk to other people, your behavior works there. If your behavior is good, then you will get good, and if your behavior is bad, then you will get bad. Some people try to be rude to everyone and expect from them respect. But how will they get respect if they don't give respect to others? If they need respect, they need to give respect to others. It's the law of karma, which suggests that whatever you will give to this world, it will return back to you directly or indirectly. It not only implies on meeting or talking, it implies on everything the work you do. It returns back to you directly or indirectly. It implies on your habits also. You see, you are studying in Gurukul and this habits makes your routine. And if you show this routine to someone, he will be impressed and even try to do the same thing. Now, if you advise to someone and don't follow the advice, your advice will be useless and you will be useless in front of him. If you don't want to be useless, then try to do the same thing which you do. Do whatever you said that you will do. Now I think that you have understood the laws of karma and importance of changing yourself. So change yourself, follow karma and change the world. Thank
Good
you.
morning to all. Today I am Naman Yadav standing here for today PDP topic. PDP topic is improve yourself but improve itself. It means in हिंदी अगर आप अपने आप को बदलोगे तो संसार अपने आप ही बदल जाएगा. जैसे कि आपको पता है कई लोगों की आदत होती है कि वो औरों में गलती निकालते हैं और उनकी यह सबसे बड़ी गलती है कि वे औरों की गलती की जगह अपनी गलती नहीं निकालते. अगर वे अपने आप के अंदर झांकेंगे तो उनको कई सारी गलतियां निकलेंगी, जैसे कि डिसिप्लिन हो गया, ड्रेसिंग सेंस हो गया और भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो हमें बदल सकती हैं. डिसिप्लिन की बात करें तो हम छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों के साथ डिसिप्लिन को ले सकते हैं, जैसे हमारी ड्रेसिंग सेंस, हम कैसे चल रहे हैं, कैसे कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, ये डिसिप्लिन में आते हैं. अगर हम गंदे कपड़े पहन रहे हैं तो दूसरों को हम गंदे लगेंगे, तो इस चीज़ को हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए. अपने आप को बदलो, संसार अपने आप बदल जाएगा. धन्यवाद.
To all of you. Good morning. My name is Zaid Bas from class 10th A. Today standing in front of you to express my views on the topic change yourself, the world will change itself. So yes, this wording is absolutely correct that change yourself, the world will change itself. Because if you change yourself and your attitude, the world will automatically change. For example, that if you are aiming something and if your aiming is so big, so please achieve it and work hard for it. Because if you are giving your whole day for that every day, and so the surroundings, your people which are living, they will sad you, they will demotivate you and say you that you can't do that, you can't achieve your aim. So please achieve your aim and show those people that you can do something and you will achieve it. So please change your attitude or change yourself and change your eyesight, so the whole world will change itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today, I, Dushan Nagar, is appointing my views on the PDP topic, that is, change yourself, the world will automatically change itself. Yes, it can be said because it can be defined as if you are doing work on wrong path, so you will get the people who are wrong path. And if you are going to the side on right path and doing seva, like Samaj Sevi, so you will get the people who are on the right path and you will get a success in your life. So I want to advise you that make your goals in your life and achieve that. Thank you. नजरिए बदलिए, नजर बदलिए, नजरिए अपने आप बदलिए.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected director sir,
Amritsar and all my dear friends. My name is Ajay. I am from class plus 2 commerce. Today I am here to tell you today's PDP topic, change ourselves. The world attitude will change itself. So first of all, I agree with this statement, change ourselves. The world will change itself. If we, first of all, we have good thoughts in our mind. Good thoughts in our mind. Like if we are standing in a bad company and they are doing some smoking or unnecessary things, so people will judge that he is also a bad guy and also doing bad things. And if we are standing with holy boys and good boys, but either we are not doing any good things, but the people will judge us that he is a good boy. For this, first of all, we have to good thoughts. The good thoughts also matter in our life. If we will have good thoughts, our company and friend circle will also be good. If we are not thinking good, so our company and thoughts will always be bad. Like I want to say a thoughts. If we will speak more, we are worthless. If we speak less, we are attitude, and also like we are the senior most of the students of the group, and if what thing we will do, the same thing the small boys will do. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, and dear Mr. and all my classmates. Today I am standing at the front of you for giving a speech on the beautiful topic. The topic is change yourself, the world will change itself. As you know, from my point of view, I will be giving you that. As you know very well, one Olympian, his name is Muley Kedkar. We saw the film also on Saturday night. In that we can see that when he was a child, he was a good wrestler, but why the company after then when he got in a not Paris Olympics, when he got to the for boxing, when he was injured, that time when he was a player and on the fight time when he was saw a girl, and why that girl he was lost that game and lost their life and chance of the win the gold medal in Olympics also. So as you know very well, from that point, from that incident, you should also see that from that girl he failed in life, and after then when he in army he got 4 bloods in his legs, and after then when he totally lost his life, and then when he coach said that there is also Paralympics games where you can got the medal in swimming, then he tried his level best for swimming and he became a good swimmer of India, and he got a gold medal in Olympics. And same thing is happened in real life also. When we are in the age of teenagers, 17 to 22 or 25 years or years, you can consider when we are in a college time life and another life. That time we always distract with another things, girls and fun enjoyment. So I just want to give you advice that please be aware from them and be away from them, and focus on your goals and achieve success in your life. Thank you.